So last lecture we started the topic that is animal breeding, systems of animal breedings. Animal breedings can be broadly classified into two groups, that is inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding means the mating of related animals within the 4 to 6 generations. Inbreeding is again divided into two, that is close breedings and second line breedings. Close breedings means the mating of the closely related animals, that is mating of sire to his daughter, dam to his son, or full brother to full sisters. And line breedings means the mating of distantly related animals as compared to the close breedings. Example of line breedings is the half brother to half sister, grandsire to granddaughter, and granddam to grandsons. So outbreedings means the mating of unrelated animals. The outbreeding means the mating of unrelated animals. Outbreeding is again divided into the four groups. First is the outcrossing, second crossbreeding, third species hybridizations, and fourth is grading up. So last we discussed the outcrossings. Means the outcrossings means the mating of unrelated pure breeds but within the same breeds. The example, Devni sire into Devni cow. That is the mating of the distant with the unrelated but within the same breeds, that is the outcrossing. So last is the crossbreedings. Crossbreedings means the mating of the two different breeds. The example is the crossbreedings is the Devni cow and is the HF bull. That is the mating of the two different animals, breeds, that is the crossbreeding. So the last lecture discussed about the crossbreedings, advantages and disadvantages of the crossbreedings. So the crossbreedings is again divided into the three groups. The crossbreedings is again divided into the three. First is the criss-crossing, second is the triple crossing, and third is the back crossing. Crossbreedings is again divided into the three, that is the criss-crossing, triple crossings, and the back crossing. So the first, that is the criss-crossing. So the criss-crossing means that is the two breeds are crossed in the alternately. The method is known as criss-crossing. So the criss-crossing means that the two breeds are crossed alternately. The method is known as the criss-crossing, and this method is proposed for utilizing heterosis both in dam and progeny. So the criss-crossing means the example is the two breeds are crossed alternately. This is the example. These are the Devni cow and this is the HF. This is the Holstein Friesian. This is the sires. Where is the example is this is the suppose is the progeny is the F1. This crossbreed progeny is crossed with the one of the alternately. Here is the Deoni sire, taken is the Deoni sire. So this is the female F1. So this is the F2. So this containing this F1 containing 50% inheritance from Deoni and the 50% from the HF sire. So this crossbreed progeny is mated to the one of the pure sire. Alternately, here is the HF sire taken, here is the Deoni sire taken. So this is the F2. In F2, is the Deoni containing the 100% is about the 75% and is the HF is about the 25%. So this is the means that is the when suppose is the breed A, this is the A, this is the female, and is the breed B the sire, is the B is the male. So this is the breed A females that they are crossed with the breed B sires. The crossbreed females are mated back to sires of breed A, and so on. In this system, the crossbreeds come soon to have about 2/3. The crossbreeds soon to have about the 2/3 of the inheritance from the breed of immediate sire. That is the immediate sire, and about the 1/3 of the from the breed being used. Suppose here is the Deoni sire used. In the progeny about 75% means the 2/3 that is inheritance from the immediate matings. That is called as the criss-crossing. Criss-crossing means that is the two breeds are crossed in the alternately and is known as the criss-crossing. That is the criss-crossing. So the breed A females is mated to the breed B the sire, and if the crossbreed females is mated, then the sires of the breed A, and so on. Then so that this crossbreed females soon immediate about the 2/3 of the immediate sires, and the 1/3 of the inheritance breed the being can be used. That is called as the criss-crossing. Then about the triple crossings. Second, it is the triple crossing. So in this triple crossings, that is the three breeds are used. In the triple crossings, that is the three breeds are used. So in this the three breeds are used, crosses in the rotational manners. Three breeds are used crossed by the rotational manner. This triple crossing is also known as the rotational crossing. So the three breeds are used in these systems. So this is the first is the Deonis cow. This is the HF sire, that is the mated. So this is the F1. This is the progeny obtained from the Deoni and the HF. So this F1 containing 50% inheritance from the Deoni and 50% inheritance from the HF sires. So this cross females is mated to the third breed. Example is the Jersey. So it is the 100% pure breeds. Jersey. So the three breeds. So this is the second and the F2, then the second progeny. So this progeny having the Deoni having the 20%, 50% from the parents. Is the 50% from Deoni. Then the HF is the 25%, and is the Jersey is the 50%. So this is the immediate is the 50%. So the three breeds are used in the systems. The females of crosses are used on the sires of pure breeds in rotation. The cross breeds will soon have to about This is the 47% inheritance. So again, this example is the HF jersey again this is the during the rotational. इथं बघा आपण HF सायर घेतलं, इथं देवणी सायर घेतलं, इथं sorry jersey आहे इथं. So this is the F3. So the having the F3. So this is the देवणी is the 100 म्हणजे याच्या बघा 100 च्या रिमा 50 आणि 12.5. The देवणी is having about the 62.5% inheritance. HF having the बघा 25 च्या रिमे is the 12.5 आणि जर्सी 50 च्या रिमे is the जर्सी इथं बघा इथं 25% म्हणजे total 100% so बघा आपण. So the three breeds are crossed in the rotational manner. So after mating three breeds, then the cross breeds will soon come to about the 4-7% of the inheritance of the immediate sire. But the immediate sire plus the immediate sire 2/7 of the inheritance of the breeds from the maternal grandsires. These the maternal grandsires, the maternal grandsires, and about the 1/7 of the inheriting is the hereditary materials. So these are the hereditary materials of the pure breeds. So this is the three breeds with the 4/7 में जो बात immediate sire is the 4/7 about the देवणी. 2/7 is the maternally, that is about the jersey is the maternal grandsire is the jersey is 2/7, and the 1/7 is about the hereditary materials, that is the HF. So the three breeds are crossed in the rotational manners, that is also called as the rotational crossing. So the cross breeds females will soon have about the 4/7 of the inheritance from the immediate sire, 2/7 of the maternal grandsires, and the 1/7 of the hereditary materials of the other pure breeds. So this is called as the triple crossings, means the three breeds are crossed in the rotation. Next is the third and the back crossings. So the third is the back crossing. So these back crossings mean the mating of crossbreeds animals back to the one of the pure parent races which were used to produce it. This back crossing is commonly used in genetic studies but not widely used in by breeders. This is the example of the HF and the देवणी. Both HF. This is the product 100% HF, 100% देवणी. So this again is the F1. This progeny having the 50% from the HF and 50% inheritance from the देवणी. So these are again mated to the back of the one of the pure animals, that is the देवणी. Second is the F2. This containing about the देवणी is the 75% inheritance and the HF having the 25. Again crossed in the HF 100%. So this back crossing is mainly used for the genetic studies. So this means the back crossing is the mating of the crossbreeds animals back to the one of the pure breed parent races. So this back crossing is mainly used for the genetic studies. So these are the methods of the crossbreeding. There is the criss-crossing, triple crossing and back crossing. So in the next lecture we will about the species hybridations and the grading laws. Thank you.